Hey everybody, Steve 87th here, just giving you a real quick overview, kind of what I got for Christmas, what my hauls were and all that kind of stuff, and some of the little projects that I've been working on. So thanks for joining me, and let's go around and see what's up, what I've got, and what's going on. All right, everybody, so Christmas is come and gone, and this was my Christmas haul this year. So from Tammy and Ray, I got a nice little Christmas card with my awareness band for my months in trains, a little glow-in-the-dark thing, my autism awareness piece, and of course, one of the sometimes you forget you're awesome, so this is your reminder keychain. Thank you very much. And she also included, I don't know why I got stuff from Artie. I mean, really, come on, it's Artie. But I got a couple of Artie stickers, both in, I guess, HO and N scale. I don't know. They're two different sizes. And a Mom and Son sticker as well. And this really cool card that we got. So thank you, Tammy and Ray. I appreciate that. Yeah, it took me a little while to get around to doing a film in Christmas time. It's been busy for me. So then I got my Christmas gifts. So the first one is a hobby tool rack. I have not put it together yet. This is all wood. All got it off of Amazon because it makes it easier for the family to get me things this way. This is for tube storage, little pieces. This is for the larger pieces. We've got some storage trays, and then some hangy stuff and or what do you call that? Tape and things like that. And then I got a second one. So the cool thing is this is from Bukasa.com, the hobby tool storage rack. And like I said, it's from Amazon. You can get them. They're also supposed to be interlocking. You can kind of see up on the top here that would actually fit down in this bottom section and it would go across. These are meant to hold the different paints, different paint storage and all that kind of stuff for in this, and it would go up in the back section of my rack here, which you can see I've got some cups hanging up, some of my paintbrushes and some of my other things in the back. So that's what those two were. And then my wife got me a multi-tool pen. So this actually has a, she thought it was kind of cool, but you can see here that it has a screwdriver, a bubble level, and it also comes with a ruler. So she actually got me two of these, and it has some removable parts as well. The cool thing about this is this pencil is actually, you can see here that you can use it on the computer, right? It's got the, but if I remember right, how does it go down? This has actually got pieces inside of it, and then, oops, sorry, the tip is a solid piece. Oh, this is hard to get out. Okay, but anyway, so those are solid pieces of graphite that are in there. So it's kind of a marking pen as well as like a normal pencil. Plus, I believe that there's a pencil lead that comes with it as well. So, unfortunately, I can't do it all here, but it comes with the screwdriver bits up on the top. They store in there for you. When they're at it, you can see that there's both. It comes with a Phillips head, a slotted, the bubble ruler, and a ballpoint pen. Twist a silver textured part, and the pen will show. And then, like I said, it also has refills for that. So she got me two of these. She thought it was kind of cool, and plus she professes that everything that I have to do has to be level and over level and like really level. So she figured if I had a pen that had a level on it, it would be really good. So that was the gifts that I got. These were from my in-laws, both my sister-in-law and my parents-in-law. So those were kind of cool, made it easy. And like I said, I'll be able to incorporate those in and utilize some more space. So thanks a lot for those. So that is the Christmas haul, but there's still some more stuff to come. All right, I too did what so many other people did and got the Rapido bonus box or gift box or surprise box. And yeah, I was surprised. Pretty much most of the stuff that I obtained, I wound up getting two of them, probably can't use. So we got this on-off coupler remote, which that's kind of cool. We'll see how that works. I might use that someplace where I've got a remote switching operation I may have to do. And then I also have the Rail Crew, whoops, sorry, I had it the wrong way, switching machine with rotating target. So again, that would be the automatic switching machine. So probably the two of these would be kind of cool to hook up near one another. Having the remote switch machine and the remote uncouple for some switching operations, that would be okay. The cars, as you know, within the Rapido box, you get a car each. So I got the Metro Police for Chicago, because they're the ones who have the Metro Police. Yep, the little blue and white stripe. And then, of course, we got just a plain green car, which isn't too bad. So the other thing that I got, being in America, I got US trains. So the first one that I got, we know that they've been clearing out their E8s, because that's about what, or E9s, I don't know which one it is. You can tell it's not my era anyway. Looks like I got a green New York Central one. So some of these things you may see, I don't know, maybe if I get enough subscribers or something like that, I'll give some stuff away. Maybe some Rapido stuff. Oh, it's funny. I just noticed there's a piece sitting up there. But I have not taken these out of the box nor run them. The other thing that I may be able to use, which isn't too bad, is a Rapido, I believe this is going to be a GP9 for Union Pacific. At least it's kind of in my area. And even though it's not my era, there are still a couple of GP9s running around in the Pacific Northwest out here. And if I raunch this up enough, I should make it acceptable and passable for what would be a Pacific Northwest train engine. Okay, so both of these are supposed to be DCC with sound. And again, I haven't put any of them on the track because I'll show you the track in a little while and you'll find out why. Some of the other things that I got. So because you get 2 rail cars in each one, I have one rail car that I could probably actually use, and that's going to be this one, the hopper car, the 4-bay hopper car. Not exactly sure what I can use it for. This is a Dow Chemical. I will have a chemical plant, so maybe I can use it in service there. However, the rest of them, not so much. So the first one is this X3 UTLX tank car. So as you can see, it is a much older version car, probably 30s, somewhere in the Steam era. Not what I could do unless I just put it on as a display. The other car that I got, signed of the same, well, maybe a little bit older, a little bit newer rather, maybe the 50s to 60s or so, is this Santa Fe Ship Travel All the Way refrigerated car. You can see here it's mechanical refrigeration because it's got the air blower on it. So that would be a refrigeration car. Again, not in my era. And then finally, a car that's in my era, but I have no use for a coal dump car. So this is a rotary coal dump. You know, if the other thing is if there's some people who maybe need a rotary coal dump or one of the other cars, we might be able to arrange some sort of swap or something like that. That would be kind of cool too. So those were my Rapido boxes. Again, stuff that not 100% like, woohoo, great, because I basically got one car, maybe an engine. The best thing that I got was the automobiles and the remote switch and uncoupler section. So that's what I got from my Rapido sets that I kind of got for myself for Christmas. So we have a few more things to go through. Okay, so this was actually my haul from after Christmas, going down to Tammy's Hobby Shop. Just real quick, these are some light systems. You can see that they're for tow truck, fire truck, and an ambulance. Was able to get some fresh mud and earth effects. Okay, these two things here, just to let you guys know, the Liquitex acrylic mediums. All right, so what these are for, the acrylic mediums, you can see that this is a ceramic stucco and this is a flexible modeling paste. If you ever seen those DIY guys do some of their models and the stuff that they use to make, you know, like 1/32 and 1/48 scale and all that, they kind of use these. So I figured if I'm going to be doing some diorama stuff, I should go ahead and make it a little bit easier and maybe experiment with some of these rather than having to use the big plaster and things like that. So we'll see how all that works. The other thing that I was able to get, not at the hobby shop, but while I was out and about, was the Matchbox working trucks came back out and the Speedy Express came back out. Although this truck, instead of it being just the regular doors in the back, actually has a lift gate. So I got me a couple of those to go with everything. Found me some weathering and chipping pens. Tammy's Hobbies in Beaverton is always good for that, and got some concrete marking pens. The other thing that I also got was a Craftsman bungalow. Again, out here for the modeling that I would be doing and all that, there's tons of Craftsman houses and that would fit right in. And then finally, I wanted to get one of these for a little while, and this is the Walters Hardware and Lumber Store. Kind of like that Ace Hardware store that we all know. You can see that it's got the lumber storage in the back and all the racks. And so that was my trip to Portland during the Christmas time. Didn't get a whole lot of time to do things, but that was one of the things that I did. So that's the haul from there. Let's see what else we got. All right, we're going to end the video here and finish this off as a part 1. It got a little bit long, so we're going to go ahead and show you everything else that I got, plus some of the projects that I've been working on. So everybody, thanks for watching and stay tuned for part number 2. Steve 87th saying goodnight.